Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can allow friends to a Roblox private server. So just go to roblox.com, and then once we are on the home page, we wanna press on the three lines in the top left corner. Then from here we wanna select inventory. So just click on inventory. Okay, so right here we wanna scroll down until we see private servers, and just hover over private servers and select my private servers. Then I have two private servers right here. They have been loaded. So I'm going to left click on the one that I want to allow my friends in. Then continue to scroll down until you see these three dots right here. So just click on them and select configure. And if we scroll down, you will see this option, friends allowed. We want to check it like so. And it should say successfully changed friends allowed. So if we refresh this page right now, as you can see, our friends are allowed in our private server. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it was, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.